fucking shit, man.
281. Oh shit.
923 is the area.
Oh, shit. 923.
Drunk
No,
women.
that's my mom's phone number.
Oh my god!
Like, put him to
My
sleep,
mom,
man.
my brother
Dude,
was
does anybody have like a tranquilizer or something? I'm serious. We're gonna put him down. We're just gonna fucking put him to sleep. Okay?
Chokehold. Flicker
Oh,
hold.
fuck.
Michael, what's Patrick's phone number?
I don't know.
Holy shit. I'm not freaking out. I just want to go home. But you're just like, I don't care.
Well, you have no idea how to fix the problem either.
No.
Well, I admit that. I just said I don't know how to fix the problem.
No, I'm trying. I mean,
Hold on,
shit.
I'm not kidding you. My cousin is literally 30 minutes away.
Okay, well, you don't know his number.
No, I know my brother's phone number.
But that's not your cousin.
But no, Pat knows Larry's phone number.